Expenditure, the Philippine economy posted a 7.8% GDP growth in the first quarter of 2013.
It's a massive surprise. The Philippines overtakes China, Thailand, Indonesia, and Malaysia. Economists and analysts expected the country to grow at a phenomenal rate, but not more than 6% in the first quarter.
Construction had an increase of 9% in its employment. Manufacturing had an increase of 4.7%, and community and social personal services had an increase of 19.6%.
While money sent home by Filipinos abroad and electronic products assembly are still drivers, the industry sector is coming back to life. High electricity prices and a restive labor force once drove investors away. But manufacturing is now attracting investors who are putting up factories. The reasons are beyond us, such as higher wages in China, economic concerns in Vietnam, and leadership issues in Thailand and Indonesia. The Philippine political arena is relatively stable. The government is fiscally healthy, and its anti-corruption efforts make the country look good in the eyes of investors. But a question nags. Who felt the better-than-expected GDP growth? Numbers show construction grew the fastest in January to March. The government did not hold back as it did in 2012, spending on infrastructure that businesses need to move around. Taking the cue, real estate companies build more condominiums and offices, mall developers and store owners expand nationwide. That created more jobs for construction workers. Hot money from abroad and bullish local investors energized the banking and financial services sector. But the rest of the 100 million Filipinos who are not in real estate and the financial markets will not feel the change.
We are really focusing on getting the economy generate more jobs, especially high-quality jobs.
The Philippines has the highest jobless rates in Southeast Asia. The government says the best is yet to come, assuring economic growth will trickle down.
This growth figure is significant since it puts to rest the doubts cast on the 2012 figure as being due to base effects only. It also indicates to us that we may now be moving along a new growth trajectory. If we can keep the economy moving at that rate for the next 10 years, 15 years, I think we would be in a situation like where Thailand is now.
A few more years of growth above 6% will lift more out of poverty. Growing 7.8% in the first 3 months does not make the Philippines a one-year wonder. But with last year's 6.8% growth, it means the momentum can be sustained. Lala Rimando, Rappler, Manila.